Hi, this is Chuck Martin with the AI Summit in New York. I'm happy to say I have with me here Sowmya Gottipati, Vice President of Global Supply Chain Technology at Estée Lauder. Welcome.
Thank you, glad to be here.
So you just came off a panel talking about identifying what problems you're trying to solve. Tell me about that.
So in our company, Estée Lauder, we have been working with AI for quite some time, and the use cases vary from where consumer experiences, providing great consumer experiences where consumers can discover products and apply the products virtually, etc. Also personalization at scale and product formulations, applying AI into product formulations and ingredients, etc. Also, in the supply chains, in my current world, we apply AI like for forecasting, demand planning, and how in inventory optimization and things of that nature.
So you lead digital transformation.
Yeah.
These days, what does that look like?
Our company is a 75-year-old company, so it has gone through several different iterations or evolved in a significant way. So the important thing is, especially in a supply chain world, as an example, we are a global company, and it's a very complex chain, a complex supply chain, because we have 25 plus different brands, and every brand has so many different products. Having a supply chain and synchronized it across, how do you forecast products and manufacturing and working with suppliers, right? All of that needs to be, digital. So we're trying to create a digital backbone, if you will, so that we can have the end-to-end connectivity, end-to-end visibility of at any given time where our products are, where our ingredients are, and making sure it's available, for the consumers, no matter when they want it, where they want it. And you can also do, what if scenario planning, what if, disruption happens? How do we make our supply chains much more resilient and react quickly to,
That seems really hard.
It is a complex transformation, but
how does a company look at that? Because there's a lot of companies that are global like that as well, and they're trying to tie everything together, and it's really complicated because of the different markets around the world.
I mean, that's why it's really important to have a good technology strategy. If you define this is the business problem we're trying to solve, then you got to come up with a technology strategy, architecture, etc. So to see how we can, there is a method to the madness.
so amongst all this technology and all this high tech, you're also a pilot.
Yes, I am.
When do you have time to fly?
I mean, lately I haven't flown, just because of the family and job and everything. But yeah, I really enjoy that as well.
So for technology, a year from now, we're sitting here having a conversation about technology. What will we be talking about? I know not generative AI still.
I mean, I think the generative AI, even though it feels like a big buzzword at this moment, but I think AI and generative AI, they are here to stay, right? It's going to change the way we all work and operate and how we deal with. I don't even know if we can even predict to what extent it will transform, right? Because it's just moving so fast. So I think it's just going to make us a lot more efficient, and I mean, I'm sure you probably use ChatGPT in some cases, right? It already made my life much simpler in some ways.
But they're manual questions.
That's okay. At least if I have to write an email or a note, if ChatGPT can write that for me, at least give me the framework, that saved 5 minutes of my time, right? So things of that nature. I think like one of the things that we're doing is translations, as an example, a very simple use case. We need to translate our product information, etc., into so many different languages because we serve 150 different markets and affiliates, etc. So it used to be manual translation. It takes 6 months to get all translated and a lot of money. Now with ChatGPT type of solutions, we can translate so quickly and save time and money and all of that. So I think it's going to be very interesting, and I think, I'm excited.
Well, I look forward to the conversation in a year. Thank you. This is the AI Summit.